ANDON is a visual management system widely used in manufacturing and operations to communicate the status of a process, equipment, or system. The purpose of ANDON is to improve communication on the shop floor and provide an immediate alert when an issue arises, allowing for rapid intervention and resolution. This report explains ANDON using the 5W1H framework: who, what, when, where, why, and how. What is ANDON? It is a visual signal, typically in the form of lights, boards, or screens, used to indicate the status of a process or equipment in a manufacturing setting. It is used to highlight when something is working well or, more importantly, when an issue or deviation arises in the process that requires attention. The system provides real-time feedback and can include color-coded lights to convey the status. Visual indicators. These could be lights, displays, or boards that visually show the status of the process or machinery. Alert mechanism. When a problem occurs, workers or machines can trigger an alert to notify others in real time. This is typically a signal, light or sound, that helps identify the nature of the problem. Response actions. When the signal is triggered, immediate action is required, such as halting the process, troubleshooting the issue, or calling in an expert. Who uses ANDON? ANDON is used by various roles within a manufacturing or production environment. Operators. Operators on the production floor can trigger the ANDON system when they notice a problem or defect in the process, equipment, or product. Maintenance technicians. Maintenance personnel use ANDON signals to quickly identify malfunctioning equipment and provide timely fixes to keep production moving. Managers and supervisors. They monitor ANDON systems to stay informed about process issues in real time and take appropriate actions to support the team. Quality control teams. Quality control personnel rely on ANDON systems to detect quality issues early and intervene before defective products reach customers. When is ANDON used? ANDON is used whenever real-time monitoring of processes or equipment is needed. During regular production, ANDON is continuously monitored to ensure smooth operations on the shop floor. It provides live feedback on machine status or process quality. When issues arise, whenever there is a deviation, defect, or malfunction in the process, ANDON is triggered. This could include problems with machines, product quality, or even operational delays. In preventive maintenance, during routine checks or preventive maintenance, the ANDON system can help identify any potential issues early before they disrupt the production process. In continuous improvement, ANDON systems are also valuable for identifying areas for process improvement or areas where standard procedures are not being followed. Where is ANDON used? ANDON is primarily used in environments where continuous production or manufacturing is taking place. Manufacturing plants. ANDON is most commonly used in factories, assembly lines, and production facilities to monitor machine performance, product quality, and overall operational health. Warehouses and distribution centers. In logistics operations, ANDON systems are used to indicate issues related to shipping, receiving, or inventory control. Automotive and electronics industry. These industries are heavy users of ANDON due to the complex, high-paced nature of their manufacturing processes. Service operations. In some service-based industries, ANDON can also be applied to monitor workflow or signal when immediate action is needed to address customer issues. Why is ANDON important? The primary benefits of ANDON are two. ANDON allows issues to be identified and addressed immediately, preventing problems from escalating or affecting production quality. By providing real-time feedback, ANDON helps streamline production processes, reduce downtime, and ensure high operational efficiency. ANDON helps identify recurring issues or bottlenecks that can be addressed systematically, promoting ongoing improvement in processes and products. With ANDON, defects or process deviations can be quickly flagged, reducing the likelihood of defects reaching customers and ensuring products meet quality standards. ANDON enhances communication on the shop floor by providing a simple, visual representation of system status, making it easier for operators and managers to stay informed. Operators can trigger ANDON alerts, empowering them to stop a process or machine when they notice something is wrong, creating a more proactive and responsible workforce. How is ANDON implemented? 1. Determine which machines, workstations, or processes will be monitored with the ANDON system. 2. Install lights, screens, or boards in strategic locations so operators and supervisors can easily monitor the status of each workstation. 3. Establish clear guidelines for when the ANDON system should be triggered. These could be set for specific events such as a defect, a machine malfunction, or a delay in the process. 4. ANDON should be integrated with other communication systems such as alarms, notifications, or dashboards to ensure immediate action can be taken. 5. Employees must be trained on how to use the ANDON system. This includes understanding when and how to trigger alerts, how to respond to them, and how to resolve the issues that are flagged. 6. Once implemented, ANDON should be continuously monitored to track its effectiveness. In conclusion, ANDON is a critical tool in modern manufacturing and operations management that enables immediate issue detection and resolution. By using visual signals to convey process and machine status in real time, ANDON helps improve communication, reduce downtime, ensure quality, and support continuous improvement. Whether used in automotive plants, electronics manufacturing, or logistics, ANDON serves as an essential part of a lean manufacturing environment by empowering employees and enhancing operational efficiency.
Use this quiz to assess your commitment to learning about ANDON and its application in manufacturing and operations management. By answering these questions, you'll gain insight into your current knowledge, interest, and dedication to mastering ANDON systems. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of ANDON in a manufacturing setting? A. I have little to no knowledge of ANDON. B. I know what it is but haven't explored it in depth. C. I understand the core functions of it and how it helps improve process monitoring. D. I am well versed in ANDON and use it regularly in my work. 2. How often do you seek opportunities to learn more about visual management systems like ANDON? A. I don't actively seek information about ANDON or similar systems. B. I occasionally read articles or attend webinars about it. C. I actively look for ways to learn more about it, such as through courses or discussions. D. I am deeply committed to learning and improving my expertise in it and related systems. 3. Have you ever used or implemented an ANDON system in your workplace or projects? A. No, I have never used or been involved in implementing an ANDON system. B. I've observed an ANDON system in use, but haven't directly worked with it. C. I have used it in my work or participated in its implementation. D. I have successfully implemented these systems and regularly use them to monitor processes. 4. How comfortable are you with using real-time data and visual signals to manage process issues? A. I am not comfortable using real-time data or visual signals to manage processes. B. I understand the basic concepts but lack hands-on experience in applying it. C. I am comfortable using visual signals and data to manage minor process issues. D. I am highly confident in using ANDON systems to manage both minor and critical process issues in real time. 5. How familiar are you with the role of ANDON in ensuring quick problem identification and resolution in operations? A. I am unfamiliar with how it helps in problem identification and resolution. B. I know it is used to signal problems but haven't explored its role in resolving them. C. I understand how it helps in identifying problems and enabling quick fixes. D. I actively use ANDON for rapid problem identification and resolution in my processes. 6. How often do you respond to or act on alerts, signals from visual management systems like ANDON in your work? A. I rarely or never respond to alerts from ANDON or similar systems. B. I occasionally respond to alerts but don't actively engage in resolving the issues. C. I frequently respond to alerts and take action to resolve process issues. D. I consistently monitor and respond to ANDON alerts to ensure processes are running smoothly. 7. How committed are you to improving the efficiency of operations through visual management systems like ANDON? A. I'm not very committed to improving efficiency through systems like ANDON. B. I see the potential but haven't prioritized it as part of my work. C. I am dedicated to using visual management systems to improve efficiency and performance. D. I actively seek out ways to enhance operations and drive improvements using ANDON and other visual management tools. 8. How confident are you in your ability to teach others how to use ANDON systems in the workplace? A. I am not confident in teaching others about it. B. I could teach the basics but don't have extensive experience explaining it. C. I am confident in explaining how it works and its benefits. D. I regularly teach and mentor others on the effective use of ANDON systems. 9. How do you view the importance of visual signals like ANDON in ensuring smooth operations on the shop floor? A. I don't see much importance in using visual signals like it. B. I understand the basic importance but haven't seen its full potential. C. I believe visual signals like it play an important role in improving operational efficiency. D. I believe it is essential for maintaining smooth operations and addressing issues proactively. 10. How likely are you to continue developing your knowledge of ANDON and related visual management techniques? A. I'm not likely to pursue further knowledge about it. B. I may explore it further if needed, but I'm not currently focused on learning more. C. I am likely to continue learning about it and its applications. D. I am committed to mastering it and exploring advanced techniques to optimize its use. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment, you are just starting to explore ANDON and visual management systems. Consider diving into some basic resources, tutorials, or training programs. Mostly B's. Moderate commitment, you have some knowledge of ANDON but haven't yet fully committed to learning or applying it. To advance your understanding, seek out more focused learning opportunities. Mostly C's. High commitment, you understand ANDON well and are actively using it to improve processes. Continue to refine your skills by working on more complex applications of ANDON and learning advanced techniques to drive improvements. Mostly D's. Very high commitment, you are highly dedicated to learning about ANDON and this application. You not only understand ANDON but also take steps to teach others and drive continuous improvements within your organization. Keep up the excellent work and consider exploring additional certifications or mentoring opportunities in visual management. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about ANDON. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.